Welcome to the Portofino Bay Hotel here at Universal Orlando. This is the premiere. This is the top of the top for the Universal Hotel. So you'll see why as we kind of walk around. So I'm just going to turn the camera around now. And you can see really nicely themed. That is really nice, isn't it? It's stunning. Stunning. Oh, so you can hear me over the helicopter. That's not part of the theming. Now to get to the theme parks, you're going to Epic Universe, that will be a bus. If you are going to Islands of Adventure, City Walk, or Universal Studios Florida, you can either walk, which is just up there, about a 10-minute walk to get you up to the parks, or you can take a water taxi. Now, my personal favourite is take a water taxi. The only time I wouldn't take a water taxi, first thing in the morning, because it's a bit of a queue. If you're trying to get there for early theme park entry. Now, you have Universal Express Pass, and you have unlimited Universal Express Pass. So, you don't really need to actually rush to get there first thing in the morning. Now, Universal Express Pass gives you unlimited use of the Express Pass entrance. That's basically jump in the queue on pretty much every single attraction and a couple of shows, well, Born Identity stunt show at Universal Studios Florida, that's the original park, and Islands of Adventure. Now, it does not include, very important, it does not include Hagrid's. So that is probably when you'll be going up first thing in the morning to go and do Hagrid. Okay. Now, I don't know why I'm going this way, to be honest. We'll go up here first. Now, so you will be going to go and do Hagrid first thing in the morning. Got a little shop here. And a bar. It's not open yet. It's only 2 o'clock in the afternoon, but they have drinks, but also like a small little menu as well. So with those express passes, I said they are express passes for the 2 original parks, not for Epic Universe. So that means that to go to Epic Universe, you take a bus, and also you want to get express pass. Now, as you know, if you're kind of researching this hotel, it's not a cheap hotel. My personal preference would be to stay here for a couple of nights, knock out the 2 original parks, and then head down to one of the Epic hotels, so probably Helios. Now, again, it doesn't include express passes, it's just that Helios is at the entrance to the park. Imagine if that was Helios, that would be Epic Universe there. He'd be right in front of it. It's part of the park. So you can head back. It's quite really good for the water ride. So you get absolutely drenched on that. Now, that's my personal kind of preference, is to do that. With the express passes, you get them from the moment you arrive on your first day, and they run up until park closing on your last. So if you're here for 2 nights, you will get 3 days. If you're here for 1 night, you will get 2 days. Now, considering that these express passes can be up to around $200 per person, it's a massive savings. So we get lots of people who stay at, villas, that kind of stuff, or whatever, and then just have 1 night here to get the express pass. That's the cup I've got. So because it's Italian themed, as you kind of might have guessed, there is a gelateria. It is limited time to it's open, so just be careful with the times if you want to go there. And you can also get coffee, that kind of stuff as well. Just going to have a look up in the lobby. The main reason people stay here is to get those express passes, but as a hotel itself, it is a really beautiful, lovely hotel. So don't just think of it as I'm only going there to get the express passes. There are plenty of other reasons to stay here. Restaurant in here, so it's the Market Deli restaurant. Let's walk up the stairs. So you've got quite a lot of choices to eat. Now, if you stay, for example, at one of the cheaper hotels, like End of the Summer, they have a food court, and that's it. There isn't a huge amount of choice. Now, the other thing about End of the Summer is that you are basically on an international drive, so you can walk out and there's KFC, IHOP, Denny's, all that kind of stuff around the corner from you. So you have choice, but not universal food choice. Whereas this one has a lot more choice. Let's come up here. So when you arrive, if you book with us, you'll get your transfer to come and drop you off right here. And then they will take your luggage and then into the lobby to go and check in. So check-in's over here. Picking up your tickets and things like that, you can do it here. I like it down here as well. You're staying with the concierge. So that's the concierge there. Clothes and snacks, that kind of stuff. We'll look the part. So it's very well themed, isn't it, as a hotel? Now, Disney, for example, has Riviera Hotel, and that is also, well, it's Mediterranean themed, so it's a bit different. It's all of the Mediterranean, so it's France as well, but it doesn't really look a huge amount like Mediterranean in comparison to this one. This one really does look. So here we go, in the piazza. Out here. It is a really nicely themed hotel. That's the thing, is a lot of people will come and stay here because of the express passes. But what I would say is, it's a laundrette there as well. What I would say is, don't just dump your luggage and head into the parks. Those express passes, you will be able to hit up all the attractions pretty quickly, even on busy days. So make sure you add in more time, should we show up here, more time to chill out and relax, because this is a relaxing resort. You've got Hard Rock next door, which is not quite as relaxing. So there are 3 swimming pools here, a lot more chilled and relaxed compared to Hard Rock next door. So obviously we won't go too much into the pool. That's the Villa pool. Villa as in like where people stay, like Aston Villa. It is a big multi-layer hotel. Just imagine sitting out here with a nice gelato, with a glass of vino, something like that, relaxing. Maybe the kids are off at the theme park and you're thinking, they're old enough now to look after themselves. I'm going to go relax and enjoy myself. I've paid for this hotel at the end of the day. I want to relax and enjoy it. Let's walk up this way. So there's another bar. So many bars here. Let's look from up here. This is the beach pool, so it actually has an actual beach of sand, that kind of stuff. Great place just to chill out and relax. So you know you always kind of get one person in the family that goes, oh, I don't know, can we not go to the beach instead? Can we not have a different kind of holiday? Show them that kind of thing, but also show them Volcano Bay as well, because that has a beach as well. The amount of kind of, I don't want to say it's usually dads, but it is usually dads, that we kind of persuade that actually they want to go to Orlando. There's kids in the want to go. But usually there's one parent that maybe doesn't quite want to go. Once you show them the beach of Volcano Bay and here, you go, yeah, go on then. I've got places to chill out and relax. Don't need to be going in the pool all the time. Not in the pool. We're going in the theme park all the time. So you go back now, and I'm going to jump on a water taxi. So I'm going to leave you to it. So hopefully gives you a nice bit of an idea all about Portofino Bay here at Universal Orlando. Now, if you want to get in touch, use the show links, link in the show notes below, which is orlandoinsider.co.uk. You can get in touch with us and we'll be able to help you book and plan your awesome Orlando adventure. To here, to Disney, if you want to out on a cruise, Miami, New York, that kind of stuff, just get in touch. You'll have your own personal Orlando guru and they will help you all the way through from booking until the moment you get back. You're on your own after you get back. You also get things like Ride Alert as well, which is even though you're going to get express passes, you still also need to know if the ride's closed and then reopened again. So that's really helpful for that. Plus you get Park Planner. And again, even if you have express passes, you still need to know when to do them and what's the best times of the day to go. So get in touch with orlandoinsider.co.uk. For now, thanks, bye-bye.